Miranda from my Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop where I am going to use this cut file, and it is like called Captured 12 Days, I think, 12 months. Let me look here quick. A year to remember. Whoa, was I way off? A year to remember. So I will link everything down below. So what I am going to do is that to save myself some sanity, I'm going to kind of combine. I wasn't able to do my collab, which is Pile Your Way Into Your Hearts. So I am doing it now with this one as my little pupper's getting his haircut. So as you can tell, these guys, the boutique takes amazing job, takes photos all the time. And they decided to take the first two pictures I got of him getting his haircut and his body trimmed. I put them all together. So I kind of collaged them, and all you see is his face and stuff. But I just like it because he's just, you know, it's just him. And he's just an amazing little dude. So then I went, and because I am wanting in a sequence kick, I also got caramel corn, which is what's going to match up with this brush stroke. And then I am using my kit from February, which is the Hip Kit exclusive. It's the Call to the Wild, I think is what it was called, kit, because I want to still keep using this kit because I still got quite a bit of it left. So let's see what I can do. Okay, so we're going to get started by, I am going to pull out some Distress Oxides, and I am going to use, which ones did I pull out? Alright, so I started out with, pumice, I think. No, okay, this is my trick. What I do is that I thought I could get it to stamp, and I needed to get my black out, and I forgot to get it out. So I pulled like my archival black or a black, and I darken in the spots where my sequence is going to go by putting it on the paper. Now it leaves a black little line. You can't quite see it in the, like, you kind of see it a little bit, but when I go to put down the sequence, I stay inside that box, and then when I put this actually down, then it leaves the sequence, and I don't have to worry about trying to make sure that it doesn't touch the edges or any of that sort. So that's what I was doing there. So I did start out with the Mold Lavender, and I just keep going with it because I feel like that's a better shadow than what I was getting with the pumice stone. Sometimes it changes, sometimes it, you know, just all depends on the color of the paper, of like what will stick out and what doesn't. So I come in with my paint pen. I do get asked all the time. The paint pen links are down in the description down below. For the ones that I order, the best ones I have linked, and then the second best is linked, and that's what I'm using right now is my second best. So this is what I was talking about. You get to lay down all of the sequence mixes in those boxes, and then when you go to pull these, you know, obviously I backed and cut this cut file before I came on, like, off camera, and I put all these little pieces on the back of it, and then I'm pulling them off right now, obviously, but then when I get ready to put this down, I don't have to worry about the sequence mix. I just put it down. That one I did get a little bit, but and that's it. That's how easy the sequence is. Obviously, like I said, I'm using sequence from Spiegel Mom Scraps, and then I am pulling out the kit that I used from How to Kill a Kit with Style from last month. I'm still using it, and that's what I'm going to use this month. I know that there is a new theme for them, but I'm rolling with this because that is how we do. I am going to use the title called Happy Haircut Day because these are multiple cuts, like I've told you. I think this is the first and second cut that he has gotten from the boutique, and he goes back all the time. I just love him. And like I said, I was using, I'm collaborating with obviously the design team here, and then my Paw Your Way Into the Hearts. I'm going to link everything down below for this, for the participants last week, just so that you can have more puppy inspiration if you are needing some inspiration on it. Obviously, make sure you go check out Virginia's website. I absolutely love it. It is a brand new website, so I will link that down along with her Etsy shop. She doesn't have all of her cut files swapped over yet, so make sure that you go check out both so that you can get new ones. But this one is in her new shop. So now I'm just putting stickers wherever I feel like they should go to add to this. Obviously, all of his photos have nothing to do with being in the wild or cowboy-ish, but because he's a dog, it works out perfect. And I thought this little card that says looking sharp would be the right thing, even though it's about a cacti, because, you know, he has to look sharp after his haircuts. And I'm just going through and I'm just adding these little bits and bobs of what I find. And then I come back in with those same sequence mixes and place them all over the place. Now, the pen I use is called a Jewel pen, and it works wonderful. I love them. Got them off of Amazon if you're not sure. But that's what I use, and it works beautifully. I just put the dots down, and then I use my pen, and it drops right down. It's just awesome. So I'm just going through, and I'm just adding all these little bits and bobs, and that's it. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. It's free. I am almost halfway to 3,500 subscribers. I'm definitely on my way to hit 4,000. I would love to have you as my subscriber, because I do collaborations, design teams like this, and just all of the fun good stuff when it comes to scrapbooking and scrapbooking your memories. And I would just love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Follow me over on social media, all of the things, all of the platforms, all of everything is linked down below. I am just rounding out, and I'm just finishing up the sequence mixes. So I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.